Morning. It's a Monday morning. It's a beautiful day. Lots and lots of sun in the sky. Very pleasant. Over at East Budleigh today. Just done a couple hours gardening. Now I'm out with Basil, just having a little walk. There he is. We just come along this little nature trail. It's mostly in the shade, so it's quite cool and pleasant. And there's a bench here, so we just stopped off for 5 minutes. But yeah, it's absolutely glorious. You can see in the background there, it's the village of East Budleigh. It's where I've just done a bit of gardening. And you can see right over the hills to in the Sidmouth direction. But now it's a beautiful day. Hopefully the start of a week's sunshine, so they're saying, so would be good. But yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. We're very lucky, aren't we, Basil, to have this little walkies right on our doorstep. Yeah, so that's me for the day. Go home and cut my lawn and sit out on my deck for a few hours and make the most of it. Look at the leaves bursting out on the trees now. Beautiful colour. Anyway, hopefully you're having a good day. If you can get out into nature, then get out there and enjoy it. Bye.